Hi guys, welcome to Solvers sessions 5 and 6. Now I'll let you know at the beginning that I'm going to see you tomorrow, which is Monday. I'm recording this on a Sunday, obviously. Monday, which is week 5. Week 6, Monday, however, is Queen's Birthday weekend and it's a holiday in New Zealand. So William, please remember that it's a holiday in New Zealand and there will be no Go sessions in week 6. However, you've got work for both weeks 5 and 6. You can get in touch with me on the U-Space through the message system. You can directly email me if you need any clarifications. And of course, you can get in touch with each other and help each other out. That's always there. All right, so moving down, let's have a look at activity 1. I've given you 4 puzzles to solve, I believe, and please make 1 blog post to write down the answers to each one of the puzzles. You may have to screenshot. If you want to screenshot and annotate pictures, feel free to do that. Whichever way works for you. If it is a puzzle that's got a picture in it, guys, try to give a picture solution rather than just writing in words. For example, if you write, I did the 3rd one from top or the 4th one from the bottom without a picture, that will not trigger any response in me or in anyone reading your answer. So talk to mom and dad if you're not sure how to screenshot it. Depends on your computer. You can also use a phone, mom and dad's phone, borrow it, take a shot of it, and then see if you can upload it. It does need a bit of technological work, but not huge, really. So, for example, these 2 shape puzzles, it would be great if the answer was in as you sort of got the picture and then you annotated it. Would be really helpful. Okay, awesome. Okay, now as I see that I've forgotten to upload the picture of puzzle 2, or I did upload it, it didn't upload properly. I'm definitely going to rectify that, so you'll have a picture for puzzle 2. Puzzle 3 is self-explanatory. All the instructions are there. Puzzle 4 is a matchstick one, so if you want to use real matchsticks or toothpicks to figure out what to do and take photos of that, that would be awesome as well. Moving on, we are looking at fractals this week, and this video that I've got here is not just telling you what a fractal is. It kind of assumes you sort of understand what a fractal is. But if you are not very sure, of course, you can look up a book about fractals from the library, or you can look up easier videos that explain to you from the beginning, like introduces you to a fractal. If you Google fractal, there are lots of websites that will come up as well that will give you information. So you can find a level that suits you. Awesome. This is a very interesting video about fractals, by the way. After that, so this one is a read, watch, and watch and think video, learn video. Don't have to do a blog post. Next one is an unanswered questions, where you do a blog post and you post no less than 3 and no more than 5 unanswered questions, okay, about fractals or its future possibilities of usage of fractals and the principles, questions that come to your head. Moving on. Activity 4 is a detailed one. Now, this is quite a long activity. I have given it to you because, guys, you are going to get 2 weeks and you are not going to have class in week 6. So you will have that time to do it. This is geometry is an artistic thing. So when you're dealing with geometry, creation definitely comes into it. So it says create a poster. You can use an A4 or an A3 paper. Or if you're a digital person, you've got access to Google Slides or PowerPoint slides or Canva or anything. You can do it on there. So then you're going to take a photo of your poster and upload it if your poster is on paper. If it is a digital one, then please share a link to your slide. Make sure that the sharing setting is such that another person can view it, not necessarily edit it or comment on it. Google Slides, if you give me editing or commenting permissions, I'll be able to put a comment on there. Otherwise, I'll just be able to view it. So just letting you know. What is the poster about? Okay, your target audience for this poster is actually a 6-year-old who has never heard of the word fractal before. So you are simplifying, you're introducing and simplifying this concept, trying to get the concept of a fractal across to a 6-year-old who's never heard of it before. So you're not going to make it super complicated. This is not a mathematical challenge for somebody who is a maths whiz. Okay, so you can go to the library and find books that might help you. You can do some research on your own. Your poster has to be interesting and informative, colorful and detailed, interactive. If you can make it interactive with the lift a flap quiz or put a little Kahoot quiz or something about fractals, and then you just drop a link if it's a digital poster you're making, that would be awesome as well. Sky's the limit. Just see what you want to do with it, okay? Get as creative as you want to. All right, must have lots of fun making the poster, otherwise the very point gets defeated, okay? Awesomeness. Activity 5, it's challenging but a very interesting activity. You are going to be using the rules of fractal, and you'll be creating some patterns. You're going to create a blog post to upload photos, answers, links, etc. that show you taking part in this activity. Here is a list of things you're going to need to do this. You are going to need a graph paper. I've given you a link to a website that will allow you to download an A4 graph or grid paper for free. You've got lots of choices. I would recommend you download the first one, which says inch graph paper, and it's black. The blue one is too light. You can't see it. Okay. And then you'll have to print it out to do the activity, okay? So please ask mom and dad or at school if you can print that out. Pencil, eraser, ruler, sketch pen if you want to add color. Okay, you'll be drawing a fractal tree, and here are step by step instructions of what to do. And here is an image which is an example of somebody doing a fractal tree if you are confused. Take your time with this, enjoy it, check with me if you're unsure. Activity 6. This is your turn to create a puzzle, a geometry puzzle, a shape, space, or any other kind of puzzle. You can create it, you can write it out, you can write and draw and then take a photo and upload. Make sure it is a puzzle that you have the answer to. So if others can't solve it, you are able to explain it to somebody else. Okay? And the idea is that you're going to solve each other's puzzle. So you not only upload a puzzle that you've created, you're going to go and find if your buddy has put a puzzle in there and see if you can put the answer in there. Awesome. So that will be us for weeks 5 and 6. I'm going to see you in class tomorrow, and we can talk about the lessons in a bit more detail. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day. See you tomorrow, guys.